the plugin that shook Wall Street. Late January and early February 26, a single word started spreading across finance screens like a virus: SaaSpocalypse. Software stocks dipped, then fell, then collapsed. And the scary part, it wasn't war, it wasn't inflation, it wasn't a scandal, it was a plugin. By the end of this video, you'll see why executives at Salesforce, Adobe, ServiceNow, Workday, Atlassian, DocuSign, and more were suddenly staring at the same question: if AI can do the job, why someone will pay for the software? Hello and namaste, I am Pratima. Welcome our YouTube channel Next Gen Artificial Intelligence. SaaS companies sell seats. More employees equals more seats, more money. Then AI showed up and broke the math. Because AI doesn't need seats, it needs access. Access to your CRM, your email, your documents, your finance systems, your support tickets. And in late January, something launched that felt like the beginning of the end: Anthropic's Claude cowork with plugins. This wasn't a chatbot, this was an AI coworker. You give a goal and it brings back finished work. And it came with a starter pack that looked innocent until investors realized what it really meant. But here's the twist. This story isn't just about a model. It's also about the person who makes it scale. In October 2025, Anthropic announced a new CTO, Rahul Patil. His job: oversee engineering across product, compute infrastructure, inference, data science, and security. Basically, the parts that turn cool AI demo into enterprise takeover. And when markets later panicked in early February, a lot of the fear came down to one belief: this time isn't just smart, it's deployable at scale inside companies. This SaaSpocalypse, also called Patil Effect, as he is considered a mastermind behind this idea of plugins. Before we deep dive into those 11 plugins, we need to understand what is plugin, how it is differ from ChatGPT or other AI systems. What is plugin? Plugin is an extension to an existing system. Traditional AI like ChatGPT is capable of using one task at a time and do not keep 100% history. So when you provide a prompt, you should provide prompt in detail each time. Claude plugins offers skills plus commands, connectors, sub-agent all at one place with keeping history of user commands. For example, plan my day, schedule meetings, and remind me to follow up on emails. AI plugin technology can do all these at one go. Now let's see 11 plugins built by Anthropic's team. I have also provided details on why each of this plugin really threatens many companies. The first one, productivity plugin, your AI personal assistant at work. What it does? It helps manage your day like a super smart secretary. Examples: easy, plan my day, schedule meetings, and remind me to follow up on emails. Why it's a big deal? Today people use multiple apps for this: calendar plus tasks, notes, reminders. This plugin tries to do it all in one place through AI. This is threat to apps that mainly exist to organize work. Second one is enterprise search plugin. This is kind of Google for your company. What it does, it searches across all your company's tools and files like a single search bar. Example: find the latest contract PDF and the email where it was approved. Why it's a big deal? In companies, information is scattered across Google Drive, Slack, email, SharePoint, Confluence, Notion, CRM, etc. Threat to internal search tools, knowledge base tools, and where is that document software? Third, plugin create customize. This is kind of a plugin factory. What it does? It helps build new plugins fast, like make your own mini app. Example: build a plugin that turns customer emails into support tickets automatically. Why it's a big deal? Instead of buying a new SaaS tool, a company could build a small AI-powered tool quickly. Threat is very big. This is the scary one because it speeds up replacement of many tools. Fourth one, sales plugin. This is kind of an AI salesperson. What it does, it helps sales teams research customers, prepare deals, and follow up. Example: research this company and draft a personalized sales outreach email. Why it's a big deal? A lot of sales work is repetitive: emails, notes, follow-ups, CRM updating. Threat to parts of CRM workflows plus sales enablement tools plus email automation tools. Fifth one is Finance Plugin AI Financial Analyst. What it does, it helps finance teams analyze numbers, build budgets, and answer money questions. Examples: create a forecast for next quarter. Why it's a big deal. Finance teams spend huge time making reports, spreadsheets, and dashboards. Threat to FP&A tools, reporting layers, and tools that sell financial insights. Sixth one is Data Plugin Ask Your Data a Question. What it does, it lets non-technical people talk to data like chatting. Examples: how many customers cancelled last week and why? Show a chart of sales trend for 6 months. Which product has the highest return rate? Why it's a big deal. Normally you need BI tools, analyst SQL queries for this. Threat to parts of BI reporting tools, especially quick insights dashboards. Seventh one is Legal Plugin AI Contract Reviewer. What it does, it reads legal documents and flags risky parts. Examples: highlight clauses that increase liability. Compare this contract with our standard template. List missing compliance terms. Why it's a big deal. Legal review is expensive and time consuming. If AI speeds it up, costs drop fast. Threat to contract review SaaS plus compliance workflow tools. Also, this is often considered the spark because legal work is high cost and automation here scares markets. Eighth one is Marketing Plugin Campaign Manager. What it does, it helps plan campaigns and generate marketing content. Examples: write 10 ad headlines for this product. Plan a 30-day content calendar. Turn this blog into a LinkedIn post plus email newsletter. Why it's a big deal. Marketing teams use many tools for planning plus writing plus scheduling. Threat to content workflow tools, campaign planning tools, copywriting platforms. Ninth is Customer Support Plugin. What it does, it reads tickets, suggests answers, and routes issues correctly. Examples: summarize the problem and suggest response. Detect angry customers and prioritize. Search internal docs and provide best solution. Why it's a big deal. Support is volume heavy and repetitive. AI can reduce human workload. Threat to help desk workflow layers, agent assist tools, some ticket automation tools. 10th is Product Management Plugin. What it does, helps product managers write requirements and organize plans. Examples: convert customer feedback into feature requests. Write a product spec from this meeting summary. Prioritize roadmap based on business impact. This will help you write your content for the playbook. Why it's a big deal. A lot of PM work is writing docs, aligning teams, and tracking decisions. Threat to product management documentation tools and coordination tools. 11th is Biology Research Plugin. Is like an AI scientist assistant. What it does, helps researchers read papers, summarize findings, and plan experiments. Examples: suggest next experiment steps. Why it's a big deal. This shows plugins aren't just for office work, they can be built for every profession. Threat to not classic SaaS for everyone, but it signals AI plugins will spread into every industry. Now, do you know which plugin impacted markets the most in SaaSpocalypse? Legal plugins scared investors the most because it targets high-cost professional work, and it's easy to imagine companies cutting spending fast. Plugin Create Customize is the long-term scary one because it means companies can build replacements quickly, speeding up disruption. If you are still listening or watching this video, you are much ahead in this AI race and already aware of the reason behind $300 billion market wipeout. So is this the end of SaaS, software as a service? Not necessarily. Fortune points out the winners may be the companies with deep integration with sensitive regulated data, pricing models that fit usage, and real value beyond seat count. In other words, this isn't a software apocalypse, it's a business model apocalypse. And this is why February 2026 mattered. It was the moment investors realized AI wasn't coming for jobs first, it was coming for software margins. Now I want to ask you a question. If AI can do sales follow-ups, draft marketing campaigns, review contracts, analyze finances, search your entire company knowledge, and triage support tickets, which SaaS company survives and which one disappears? Comment your prediction in the comment section below. And if you want, I'll make part 2, Top 10 SaaS companies most at risk after the SaaSpocalypse. Subscribe, like, and comment. because the next wave won't be a crash. It'll be a takeover. Thank you from Next Gen Artificial Intelligence YouTube channel. See you in the next one.